Kani gadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Sibanai tam menshua wayu sipai jongkari naka Indian Army Major David Manlum ula kelanyap haka jeng kon persa bagi kenhon ke ngatiar haka miet nyau terek ubna jilio balala haka jeng kon kabalaja haka jela Nagaland. Hadin sibanai tam menta ka sarkar pedang lembah katna defense kelasio bainong ya kini kelongyeng da kejing ai buram da kapisa. Ya kapisa ka bakot nyau pusan lak tingka la IT syaki bahyeng jong Major David Manlun hak jelang kabalalong hak yengsa jong nehiu sipai hasnong Happy Valley Shillong. Hak ni jelang lai dan rangkat ru uway ni kihe jok nat sipai u General Officer Commanding jong ka pertan sipai 101 area u Lieutenant General DS Ahuja bat kiway de kihe sipai. Hadian ka jelang ka basipor hak baki nongkren kila perto ya ka kamslor jong Major David Manlum u Lieutenant General DS Ahuja. Hanya kesengi ulah IT syaki bahyeng yakni kapisa kabakot nyop sanlak tengka da ka cek. Habakanan hak jelang ki he sipai ke letu ru bakajing aje rap syakani kelongyeng kan amkot tangkani kapisa kabala IT hne kesengi. Hanrei na kalyang sarkar pedang kala penkre ru sa sauh lak tengka kat bana ka sarkar jela nyo point sanlak tengka.
As you all know, Major David Manlun, late Major David, he laid down his life for the motherland and made the extreme sacrifice. I don't think there could be a better way to lay down your life than for the service of the nation. He was a brave soldier, and as you are aware, there was an operation on the night of 6-7 June which was carried out in the Mon district of Nagaland bordering Myanmar, in which he led the way in the operation and displayed exemplary courage. In the operation, 3 terrorists were killed and a large quantum of arms and ammunition was recovered. And I salute late Major David Manlun. What the army is doing for him, whatever terminal benefits that are due to him. You just witnessed a check of 75 lakhs was presented. This is just the beginning. There is more to follow over the next few months, and he will get another 40 to 50 lakhs from the government, which includes the central government ex gratia payment. What the state government has to do, that is also under process. Another 7.5 lakhs should come from the state government. And late Major David's parents have conveyed to me some help that is required from the state government, which I shall be taking up with the Chief Minister and do my best, whatever possible, to meet their requirements. And once again, I feel deeply honored to have been given this privilege on behalf of the Army to present this small token of our gratitude. And a life cannot be quantified in terms of amount or money. It's priceless. That's all we must understand. Whatever the government has to do, it will do.
Although my son was passed away, I am with my son. I am proud of my son. He died in hero. And being an army, I'm going to get everything. Although he died, I'm going to get everything. Really, he's not dying. And all these things is the plan of God. So I am proud of my son. Thank you.
Kani gadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Kajinyalang apreng ke sarkar jela ke dalam kemat keseng kongres apa kajinyalang Dr. Mukul Sangma kumu mitri rangba mat kiseng balang ki badan kumba khat laiseng ki ba kenthop yakiseng ki ba khamlam khmat kata Khasi Students Union ka Federation of Khasi and Jaintia and Garo people ka New Trap National Youth Front bat ki wei plalong hine ka sngi ka khat khandai trek naitung klalong ba sei so bat ka bla penhun yakiseng balang habede ki mat jingtawa jongki ki ba ki la juyai dawa kimat ki ba kham kong san ki balai kran hakani ki jingalang ki de lor ki an ki ba khlan bante la kam ye ki jingwan rung krthap ki menderi par ki bar jala shakani ka jala nang ta ka jingwan ra ekalentiral shakani ka rilum Khasi Jaintia bat ki wei hadin dalawai ka jingalang umentri rangba ka jala abai kran ki la pathai ko bor la pente ba sarkar ka la shemi ka rai ban pentri kam no ya ka Meghalaya Residents Safety and Security Act par ka Prohibition of Benami Transaction Amendment Act kaba ka sarkar kan sapan bana haka Independence Day kata khat santrik nailar banwan.
So two laws have been, two legislative measures have been brought in as a culmination to this whole long-run exercise. One is the enactment of Meghalaya Residents Safety and Security Act, and another one is the Prohibition of Benami Transaction Act Amendment Act. Now, the issue has been that, okay, these measures must be put in place. Okay. So in order to ensure implementation of this mandate of law, the rule is required to be notified. Now the rule has been worked out. I have had a review at my level, and I have desired that some more further elaborative framing and formatting of the rules are required, because these rules, as per the mandate of the law, will be implemented and enforced not only by the officers who are in different line departments of the government, or otherwise the authorities under different line departments of the government. It also have other stakeholders like the local authorities who will also be invariably involved in the implementation of this act. Therefore, the rule which is required to be made available to everybody must be more exhaustive and must be something which anybody, when they read, will know the operational part, the procedure, and how to actually effectively enforce it. So once it is notified, once the measures to involve all the stakeholders, including the local authorities, are mobilized, and then start, putting in place this whole system on the ground, and some of these identified entry-exit points. Why I'm saying some of the entry-exit point is because some of the identified entry-exit point will require longer time in respect of the LA. But some of the entry-exit point which we have identified, 2 in East Jaintia Hills, Malidhora, and then Ratachera, and 1 in West Khasi Hills, that is in Athiabari, and 4 in West Garo Hills, they are in a very, very advanced stage. So these are areas where some work for creating those infrastructure for the facilitation center, which will also act as an entry-exit point, can be initiated. And also the land which the government has asked for from the railways in the premises of railway station in Mendipathar, there we will also put this whole facilities infrastructure for the facilitation center to deal with the issue of implementing the mandate of this Meghalaya Residents Safety and Security Act. And once 1 or 2 of them are operationalized, once 1 or 2 of them are, infrastructure related works are put on the ground, then we will take our stand that the comprehensive measures to deal with the issue of illegal immigration and influx is already in place and is now being operational. We have to be very clear, which we have shared together, is that when we are talking about the entry-exit point, it will be a continuous process. Whatever we have identified is the phase 1. And even when we implement to create the infrastructure and put them in place and make it operational, all will not be obviously completed at same time. Some may be completed a little early, some may be completed a little later. So it will be a continuous process. And it has to be also shared before you that we have also discussed that it will continue to be a continuous process, because we will continue to have some more roads coming up which will be interested in nature, and through where you will also anticipate and expect quite a number of movement of people, and therefore it has to be a continuous process. But in as far as the Resident Safety and Security Act is concerned,
we want to complete it before the Independence Day, and so that at least we can share with the people of our state that this law should now be operational as the law rule has been notified. And then, the massive exercise of mobilizing the stakeholders, the local authorities, it's a gigantic task. So we will require everybody's cooperation, support, involvement in a massive scale. There has been some concern which is based on the, that whole perception that when railways are there, then because railways have more bogies, not just one one cabin, more people. Railways are actually a means of mass transportation. So this concern has been there. Now, we have always made it abundantly clear that just the entry and exit point will not suffice to deal with the issue and concern of the illegal immigration and influx.
Habai day pat bakalintirel Dr. Mukul Sangma ulong ka sarkar ka lashimi ka rai ban pensenge shwa ya ka jing pentrikam ya ka ni ka project.
As we have already engaged with the Ministry of, with the NF Railways, all the railway stations in the premises, they will provide us the land to have this facilitation center, and with that we can move on.
Habai day bat kini comprehensive mechanism ki bangya terwas ko sarkar artli ki Act kata ka Meghalaya Safety and Security Act 2016 ya kani ka sarkar kala menjur man notify no ashwa ka khatsan tarik August ban pentri kam hakani ka jela ka jungi wat kumju ka bayde ba kani ka Act liang ka sarkar kani khot ya wer ya ki dorbashnong ki sencha snong ba kin snong thu ya kan ka ak nang ba la pentrikam haman ki snong ki tha hawai dei bat ka binami transaction and prohibition act kani ru an pentrikam no hadin u bena August ya kini berarti ki act nakaliang ka sarkar kasimpor mentat ban frame ki rules bat ki guidelines ban pentrikam ya kini ka act deto hadin ka jing penbor jo kiseng bahalang baka sarkar menta ka penstat ban pentrikam no ikine shwa khasan trek bat ka pat hadin ka bunai August habade bagi entry exit point ka sarkar kala menjur ban pentrikam stat no ya phase 1 ha kini kisngi khnang ba onla ban pentrikam ya kini ki mechanism kumbangi latmu khalai seng ndu ngisdang ka jing ya kran ke jungi ba sarkar bai dei ba kini ki rules kalian ka sarkar ka penpau ba ladangi kwa ban notify ya ka na ban snai ki rule ni la ban snai no po sngi na asngi Rengi kwa ba kini ki rules ken trekam kumbangi dawa mangi ban perking ya ki bar jelak ba wan sni jelak jungi ban perking ha ka shong joka sa jungi ba kumju ka trikta ka jungi ba kumju ka por ba ki rung shan ka jelak jungi la perking ba de halor kata ka benta ba sarkar ka sim por ban framing ni rules but anda kala dat ban ya shong ka review meeting ka jungi bagi la finalize ya kini ki rules ki jongki te halor kata ka benta ba sarkar kala menjur ban pentrekam no ya kini ka kawai shwa ka Meghalaya Safety and Security Act shwa ka kasantrik August
kani gade ka Batesi TV bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni
ne kasni ka arpotrek unaitong kasang New Trap Youth Council kala pediang sobha yo menteri rangba ka jela u Dr. Mukul Sangma sya ka jingelang bo maunong rem ya ka maulai CNRD block da ka jing dawa ya ki kat saut li kimat ki baka seng kelapa da ka dor khas syak sarkar na du ka arplai terek ubnai rempang muntaus nem hakani ka singi na kaleng ka HYC maulai circle kala perta jamru ban putre kambe ya ka inline permit kum kala banyada na ka jingwan rong ki breu na bar ka belong kamat ka ba khamat e na kimat jing dawa jong ni ka seng
te ka jingwan ga jongi menta kamde ka jingwan ba bangi protest ki jingwan jo hendringi welcome nomor ba lingba ka rai lani ka decision jong ka cabinet hapo kajikri jong ku CM lala benora ya ka mulai sini blok dia hak juga po nar liang jongi kun ka kun HYC ke balam keman bantawan nak sarkar ya ki khasau tri giman ki bangi la lek banbo ling ba ka merdom hak apa trip nai feb ar hajar khat nhiều mataw sunan rai ka ba sarkar kam simala ban respond ta ka letters jongi le ne merdom jongi ban khot ikran thì cũng kadang bangi ko ban pensngau banalor jong kisi ari blong ki blote ha keleng ki district ki jaka posted milia isngau ban ong ya doktor mukul sangma ya ka government ke jongu MU2 banalor kisi ari blong ka chat ban rewi ka don kam se ILP kum ka chat ban rew ngi don kam ya ka ILP pentri kam no mardor ya ka ILP posted nang leng jongi ho ni suthu ki babun ki Minister lani wat Dr. Mukul lesi ukamlong anti lani ukamlong honyok kenyat banik dengan ILP lesi yo kadiga jingbom godip ke jong ikian kibram ka ILP dan ali jingi ong ba ale we cordially invite you all the cabinet minister ban attend ya kan committee kabangin sakot hak apa artrek jong uni ubna ke bahal hapus sajan hang tai fokus national bahwa ban ya discuss sibun kian kimat nomor kumbalongi kian kimat panida ke jai benriu des tangga ILP play ke jingwan jing influx harning for region ni ki bot bang let's say okay jingwan ki influx let's say ke kelab bot bang no jongka political party kamtam juga ni national party let's say labon congress reng ko bonong to sange no ban kipilti bot bang ki yo ino saya ke song sung sungan jong jai benriu hak juga por ngi kuran ro nam tang ni railway project nampak semua tip haduk mentah mana kai ke government kalale entah railway project tikum bakalale mo lingba ka cabinet decision mo ya ketika kapar yun yang mentai pensange lingba karaju kabinet ngasoban ombal lingba karaj kabinet pensange no mardor ini project railway kai SWC ka kran sikenten dah keboong pan proyek kami ke ILP ban ingin sayok pan ikran ban merak projek peru let's say la don kaan ke bantek lah kam ya ke influx bantek lah kami nong we nong ar ban rong po jalan jongi let's sing ngilong welcome lan ingin yelik hut lang bar sarkar iki projek lan iki development peru ki bawan tang na po central government rewat nas iwe pat kiri
Kani gadega Batesi TV bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni
Hadin ke jingbo yo mau nong rem bantai ko office rekam jong ke Maupat Community and Rural Development Block kabala rai ban bo akasnong Maupan henne ke singipat ka arpho trek unaitung ka sarkar jila kala pendap ru ye ke jingbo yo mau nong rem bantai saya ka office rekam jong ke Maulai Community and Rural Development Block kabala rai ban bo akasnong Mautawar kabalang ru ka block ka Southern Rio ha ka jila hi burok kowe yaw ni mau nong rem ru lalit ban bo hi do menteri rangba ka jila Dr. Mukul Sangma Ringkat ki Menteri Sarkar Jung Kentop ya ke Menteri ke Bakmi ya katnat ka kot kya ikong Roshan Wajri ibalalong ka sembot kong san ha ka jelang badu Menteri Bakmi ya katnat Community and Rural Development ba singa bahalang dhar ki weide ki blaidan lang ha ka ni jelang ki Kentop yo MLA bat MDC ka ni kathan kata ba em bahalang simle badu ba piti sokme nang tau MLA jong ka penthor omkra constituency ba AL hang MLA ka nong thamai ba Gemino Mautho kinong ilam snong jong kisnong ba per ki baha bapo jong ni ka blong ba lawan man sakhi lang ye ni ka sikhra jong ni ka thain te ki paj ba nong song snong jong ki arp south li kisnong ki banha bapo ka ni ka blong
Today the good thing that is happening in Meghalaya is because we are able to spare time to plan, we are able to spare time to be able to plan for the prosperity and growth of the state. That's why this is the outcome that we see here today. This whole outcome of our collective endeavor with a little different approach, with a completely different strategy. So friends, I always share with our friends that we as policymakers, we as the true representatives of the people have to understand the dream of people from all walks of life. We have to be able to represent the dream of our young kids. We have to be able to understand the dream of our young children. our young friends, our youth, the school dropouts, their initial dream and the whole perception of complete dislocation of their dream and the likely vulnerability. We have to be able to understand the pains of the mothers, the pains of the fathers, to be able to respond to the dreams of their children. And the dreams of the people as a whole. And on behalf of people, we articulate the dreams and conceptualize the plan for the right kind of way forward for the development and growth of the state. Collective privilege again to dedicate these photos.
Kani gadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Menteri Rangba Kajala Dr. Mukul Sangma minta kasngi ka khandai tarik naitung ulong ka jingyo ban shimti jong ka seng Congress ban yalam ya ka isi ka dei na kadaw jong ka jing ya kani pisa jong ki para MDC ki badon haka executive committee ka barim ka lam khmat dak NPP ulong ka Congress nadu pasdang kamsim lakwa ban thau isi namarba ka snotho kamdan brio ulong ru ba ka isi ka barim jong NPP GNC pat BJP kala shukhalam hi tang nakadaw ka pisa ka bawan na ka special assistance jong ka sarkar pedeng par ka Congress kamdon khti ban penkhalam yaka.
See, one interesting thing I would like to corroborate in respect to this development is that, see, on the day one after the election to the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, I have told all the MDCs from Congress after getting elected, don't form EC. Because the mandate is not for you. Mandate is not for our party. So we will not form the EC. It was very clear and frank, not just suggestion but the directive. Okay. So Congress, along with other friends who thought they should not be part of this other party, EC with the other party, stayed. So we allowed them. NPP and so-called GNC and all their like-minded BJP, because I wanted to tell to the world that they are partners of BJP all the time, which they used to tell the world that we are not partners. I wanted to prove. Okay, so I have proven. We have proven. The people have seen it. NPP, BJP, EC was met. NPP, GNC, BJP. And for the first time, they have also had this executive committee member drawn from the BJP. So it was seen by the people. which they always try to, defend with complete futility. Now, after that, what has happened? Probably they were fighting for money, After this huge assistance came as a part of the exercise that we had with the Ministry of Panchayati Raj, the records are there. How many times, based on the Chief Minister's letter and based on the meeting of officials, delegation of the state officers having met, the recommendation has gone to provide a special assistance to the district councils. Now, money is the root cause of all evil. When people cannot control their greed over money, then this is what happens. So this is what has happened. These people have fallen on their own because of their greed for power and money. We have not disturbed them. Okay?
Kani gadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Hadu kumbakat kendai tuli sekolah kelai Shimanta, haka lempung kebalatep kum kala utsaf Cultural Arts Competition. Kebala pelong henin kasni kakat kendai terek unaitung. Ha Sosotham Auditorium Shillong. Yakani ke program la pelong dekat State Education Mission Authority of Meghalaya RMSA nang ta ka Directorate of School Education and Literacy ringkat ke Jingtai lang bat ke Picasso People's International Art Community. Yakani ke state level competition la pia ha kisau benta bakan top ya ke jingi kop tem ke jingi kop shat ke jingi la kai sket bat ke jingi kop snatiar. Ki skol ki bansa je nakani ke lempung kin let mi khmat pat ya ke jela syaka national level competition hakaba anyishim benta ru daki skol nakaleng kijela kaban salong hanong ba Delhi kapang padang jongane kelempong kadai living traditions of tribal folk and traditional arts of different regions hakani je ko ba shimanta daki skol sarkar nakaleng ki district kijela nadu narilom khasi jantia bat garo.
Penpi ya kajing ruspa culture jong India ori India kumjuru ban sai ya kitu ki culture ki bala yap let's say ki bala jan yap ru ban mi insan biang ki ban pem biang ki ban km biang ki apo abani ke jat bre jungi mar kot kum ba junglong jungi mong ilong ba ikon jungi ikon ki junglong nak ki lawe jungi bor kim tip shu ya ka culture lo jong im don shu ka tan rai kai im tip shu tan rai im tip bitang ya ka ilong ke music mi tip tang western music yang ka dance mi tip tang ki Hollywood dance kui ru kum jo ki activities ki tip bitang was nice wala ya ka culture lo jong pat im don tip bi kani de bor ba ka school jungi imla ban penmi ya ka jing tip hai kon jungi im hi kai ya ki kamdan ru hi ru apa curriculum ru nani apa ki textbook jengi ban hikai yengi ya keten rai ke jing tip jongki culture jongi ti kini program kai rap yengi ban ngi ikni ki ke
pen rius pa ya kakten la jong pen don kam ya kabakan kiu kan ro khasi kakten la jong ai kan Bamsap kadai ka kentien ka bamut ya ka jingbam pisa tingka hakikam ki jam ni jing tre jing kta hagaba ka kentien phareng ka ong corruption ki kentien bam klop ru ki kit ya ka ju ka jingmut ya ka ne lawan rashapi da ka Batesi TV.
The ICFA University Meghalaya provides career-oriented educational programs in management, information technology, economics, and hospitality and tourism management at the bachelor's and master's degree level. BBA, BCA, BCom, BA Economics, BA Political Science, BA English, BA Education, BTTM, MBA, MCom, MTTM, IMCA. The university provides internship programs and projects which will equip the students with practical application skills and also give utmost importance to assist students in getting suitable placement after successful completion of the program. For details, contact ICFA University, Powerville, Dhanketi, Shillong, Meghalaya 793001.
Ula dan hangni bat ulong ubas kem. Black Tiger Cement. Hilana pauge.
Jetwings, the leader in quality training and assured placements in the airlines, hospitality and tourism sector in Northeast India. We offer diploma courses in airlines, hospitality and tourism management with a 100% placement guarantee. Jetwings has been awarded in category of India's Best Institute in Placements at the India Skill Summit in January 2015 at New Delhi by ASSOCHAM. Contact us at the given numbers or visit us at Upland Road, Lattenkra, opposite to St. Margaret School. Come, fly with the leader.
Lada pitbu bantai ni airong airop ya ka ying jongpi shabar ni shapo. Kadukan ka papakatam na kabenta ki jingdan kam jongpi ka dai Star Steel and Hardware. Hang ni pila banyo ki tiles ki tiar na kabenta ka kamera som bat kamera legbar, ki rong babunjat kat kum ka jingkwa ka jongpi ki tensop yeng ki plywood ki kor bat bun ki wei tiar na kani kedukan Star Steel and Hardware complete home solution. Kabadan hajan ka office Nepco hadam senyong Shillong. Kabadan ru bat kejaka penyang kali. Contact 0364-250-7335 lani 9436-335-001.
Men barang syong haying imay men sim katrang banyola ijong so kumban lain na la imay income pendiang na dong syadong en rayanda layo na i men sim jonga kasyuleng saban pendam ya ubay kau kaplajong
Kata kemarin kelub karsap kasulek kelub lek kumbam benar ma keliau ka pep lut pada yang pertai bolak kowe ka pep lut ka kelub
Fikiran panjang ya so, yo ingat kulut entah aku ni. Kira berhot baik se, balik yo ingat kulut.
Demam dek kelub mah.
Bahagia betul.
Kelub,
telun,
kelub,
telun.
Oh, lek mbak kelub mah yo sengau bahapa.
Telun tidak dia bab telun.
Kelub. Lek mbak kelub cuma ngap siar pat
cai. Pemo dah antat keting yo ngau. Kulut, ialah dia buat dia. Pemo, orang lupa yang dari makan pasat. Sangat kenai.
Bukan kenai.
Buat keren banyak barit.
Ngapimut dek sok mengkenjur.
Antar ketin. Mau ngadi sukan kenai. Kini program beli mengabat baan sian, mengabat barit badi baan sian. Kini program pinsai pok kemarin ting. Di senang ipek je kini program hak Batesi TV.
Ngaru ngakerpat ipi kerpap ipi ba pinya pep knang yaka Batesi PB. Wat lep klep ban pep yaka Batesi PB.
Ladi Yuki jing sisha ngam tip lasi ni kin shetla na ilhu kari dim dei tamma yang abawan krimsin na kloi batne ialah kiki pandai jingsu rutang lagi
kublai pi ngalai ba Waroh ple iba jurai ya gini kaset kasi bat jantiar kumju ngalapen mi arpuai teli ki album bat ngal sedang ban rai na du usnem khat khandai spa khandai pupra
Ayusha yang akila aduba ngam tipshu ya kadum kasya kilam kiwa kimadan dena marjong ki kisim kida kemarian saki long balakre lupa wajing imru kloi ban pa jadu ayusha yang akila haduba ngam tipshu yekadum kasya kiwa kimadan dena marjong ki kisim kida kemarian kinyai yang saki long balakre lupa wajing imru kloi banpa
pina du bangadang li school ngajudon gani ka kijudon gini competition hapok school porong ngadang song kelas 3 kelas 4 ngaju lej ban sim competition nang tu bat ngaju job iru ban kong baar tadi nang tu ngidan badai gani ka club bagi ong gani club mau ngap social and cultural club hapok mau ngap nang ni ngayo experience ba kumno bangan rai but habagi ruai gini gi jong iba LG sumer ba bisil sumer bam kuah duar blai ba led ampor singlendo gitu habagi ruai gitu ba tamon ngaju ang bat ngaju sngap hakapor bagi ruai bat ngakwa kumno bikin ai lat yang bangan ruai te imat gitu kipor ngalarwai ki ar lightly ki kaset but hapo MSCC yang tu te ngiji pelong shua kasyat mensengi hadin ngiselek drama benmit
Jadu ayusha yang apila haduba ngampichu ye kadung kasyat
ban ngaliyok bentar hagalek drama rengkat bat i ba special lalu nang ta ngaliyelek komik ngalarwai ngalayok bentang tu lembah bai ailat iba LG sumer bat ki membar jeng tu ka klub ang tu tenang tu kan ngelsiok lat bangan penmi ya kan ka nalathiar volume 1 tu bong jadu isya today na ka klub hi bat ki jeng ailat jong iba LG sumer ha tu kapor ila plelat plelenti nang ta rengkat bat ini iba SK sun itu ru ibu juai mesti menga berbor beli ai jingerap ru today naki bangasa yo kalat bat haduk mata bangasa kumusyono ngalapau kumwe nong roi hapo Meghalaya hapo rikasi jantia
Shong kum iknai pile tipsi Kinsan manu baai ki jini kai Kinju kai kor ko ya nong ai ka mai Tang shi kin tiak bangan kren manga Blab pi kri kin tum station China Tang shi mi tiak hai mẹ ban sông là local taxi ba sang keleng kisnong bon sinya tinga swar la kum ik sau kulit yo thi ba klalen ti yo dong ba ai mit tu ba pi kum kamiskinnya ngatin thop yo dong ba yo persia Mobile Nokia jom pika pentat lianga Asor long dan pi onga syatura Manlaka si pipan bisa si bisa What state bang ATM kalapan maknanga Jaga banga trai ubos ki ongyanga Hai imen klinga hapsai pangkana Gangster ngak kinga pendiang na dong syadong Daling jong ngaleng nai singkor na po kendong
Kadang ketukuwai jadu ayusha nangta ngam sumpoi perkhat nangta nong dewai dong nangta itu iba ong ruai maram tu bola syat itu serang itu i kentai turun ngalarwai rengkat bat ngalarwai lang ini Sarawar larwai kentai Sarawar bat itu iba long engineer jong ka MSB mentah te borok hi jing ruai ngerwai rengkat bat i
Habung ngajiran lah lembah. Hi area, hi sokmen.
Ngawan marwe, ngawan batno. Bentali ngalak long free, ngamut benpik kai ha anjali. Bawan ke film Bruce Lee. Isu ko ale.
Hai ai kong thaya di arnga nga kan rei hol sinama bandi somen nga chlan ware lada pithon yang akong thei.
Don't worry, Baba, to be with me. Keleng keleng nganten ya pi. Hanan bolok baca gofling. Hai hai pin ong woko darling.
Kak tien pareng ngas ngapkan rei upas kurei upagamei kat syabu pai kak tin lajong ngachabran rei wat hasor cilang
te dang ningkong te kesem jing namar dei ini ba terbor lingdo itaru ide nong roai itu yalam lenti nga sipo kolta bat ngis de poi po kolta seihi ba peni galat galti kumno ban recording kumno ban roai ban sel tanang tu kansa yo lat ban roai ban penmi ik tu na lather
min bang hiar hasla prchai dei tang da ka kumblai kat banang yai ti si kia ye jing shem ka pen linga sembai baha hasni ka kandau utip laka chmai kum utning ba mi uso kisla yang ala khen ukut pangka ai ba prathai kan sngau phula ke jing lang do bom diang ke ja anda kapor hi ka lai ka kun kamla ban buri
hagatu kapor husnam khandau prai mat khatsan arpo hajar ikila ya hadu mentah bagi ong na lather ngatrai hadu mentahi ketu kala alom ka album ka ba biang ba bagi ong jadu isya ngatrai hadu menta kadang ya
Uram kana yunam ngam laban kle akhir kisi ceritakan saka serwe unang bunang tha lepli kalat kalinti yu bebun balang ngan yai
hot hijing sya nalade ngam don bangan sei bisa ba don ba produce ha don iba pitarlim itu iba juirap yang nanta don ba SK sun belong ship engineer PhD menta itu iba juirap kumno ba ngan kibai bisa bangan leit roi ki kwa ban kenti nga ta kadau ki rap te habakaya yesutanat habakamya pat mut wat da ki produce matang makna ki bai ngadon kata ke jing sngau
ngam simpai perkha ngam sim kni lenti kin rarum mino sim kam diau kam bukho ngam simpai perkha ngam sim lenti kin radum ino sim kam diau kam bukho
pen rius pa ya kak tien la jong pen don kam ya kabakan kiu kan ro kasi kak tien la jong ai kan Bamsap kadai ka kentin ka bamut ya ka jingbam pisa tingka hakikam gijam ni jing trai jing kta hagaba ka kentin phareng ka om corruption Kikintien bam klop ru kikit ya keju kejingbot ya kene lawan rashapi daka Batesi TV.
The ICFA University Meghalaya provides career-oriented educational programs in management, information technology, economics, and hospitality and tourism management at the bachelor's and master's degree level. BBA, BCA, BCom, BA Economics, BA Political Science, BA English, BA Education, BTTM, MBA, MCom, MTTM, IMCA. The university provides internship programs and projects which will equip the students with practical application skills and also give utmost importance to assist students in getting suitable placement after successful completion of the program. For details, contact ICFA University, Powerville, Dhanketi, Shillong, Meghalaya 793001.
Ula dan hangni bat ulong ubas kem. Black Tiger Cement. Hilana pauge.
Ben barang syong haying imay mensim katrang ban yola ijong so kumban lain na la imay income pendiang na dong syadong en ray anda la yo na i mensim jonga kasyuleng saban pendam Jonga kala sudah suka basyong marway ban ya kabar ngut kan kabangatmu babu tangki jingpen tut suka basyong marway ban ya kabar ngut kan kabangatmu
lempun kum iparu lempun lempun kum iparu Sume Samong me Ngadai Romeo Jongpi
Dapat ka Juliet Jongpi
Ngadai uren nhau Jongpi
Dapat ka sok dengan Jongpi
Kata kemarin kelup karsap kasulek kelup lek kombam pernah ma keliau kat pep lut pada yang pertai bolak kowe ka pep lut ka kelup
ha hikran banyak ya so vi oi ngau kulut entah kum ni kira marhot baik se balik vi oi ngau kulut
demam dai kelup mah
vi betulun
kelup
telun
oh lek kelup mah ya snow apa
telun tidak di bab betulun
kelup lek kelup mas ngap siar pat
pemo dah antat ketingnya ngau kulut ila dia buat dia pemo orang lupa andarit makan pastat sangat kenai
Pergi kenai
buat keren banyak barit
ngapimut dek sok mengkenjur
antat ketin Mo, ngade sukan kenai.
Kini program bile mengabat ba ansyan, mengabarit ba di ba ansyan. Kini program pinsai pok kamaran ting di senang ipet je kini program haka Batesi TV.
Ngaru ngakerpat ipi kerpap ngakerpap ipi ba pen ya pep knang yaka Batesi PB wat lep klep ban pep yaka Batesi PB.
Oh jadu isya lah na kadai na po kelop mau api belat sena di ba LG Sumer nanta ilit ampor singlanda bat ilit bisil Sumer nang tu hi larwai kemut kini kijingruai kijingruai kumbong yelek kelop menmit tenang tu kenya sa kolek itu kijingruai lengbai ba LG Sumer lengba iba LG Sumer ngasi olat mangandrai gitu kijingruai kiba la sena maki
ngan len ladi yaki jing shisha ngam tip lasi ni tin shekla daladi aladi haladi tura yujit ba shisha amdan nam nikai ya kalawai lagu mezhab tanghapi jing subat yang badlana ngan laladi yaki jing shisha ngam tiplasi nikin shekla daladi aladi haladi tura yajit bashisha amdan nang hikai ya kalawai lagu menzhab tang hati jing subat yang badlan ladi yaki jing shisha ngam tiplasi nikin shekla nakilhu kari ding deitang magi yang abawan krimsin ngakloy batne yalah kiti pantai jinsu rutang lagi
jadu yusha kalong kumbesha set haki hakalok ne haki kentai ne kemut hai ba ye jongpi te kumangalong ipi ba sisin bel pilathelut ikijing e temut teng kisim kabu no kentai ne senrang tukum takan ke ikijing e kemong no kabangala sya set sukor kadai kutu kejedu yusha bad hagajing sem kejonga kejing sem simet kejonga kemut dei gitu kipor keba kala set ketaka jing e keban kong
jedu ayusha yang akila aduba ngam tipshu ye kadum kasha kilam kiwa kimadan dena marjong ki kisim kida kemarian kinyai yang seki long balakre lupa wajing imru kloi banpa jadu ayusha yang akila aduba ngam tipshu Yekadum kasya Kilum kiwa kimadan Dena marjong pi Kisim kido kemariang Kinyai yang seki Long balakre lupa Wajingim rukloi banpa
Kini kijing roai kumbang no ki elek drama ikan. Temut kadon pagi drama ki bagi tho kabaha ya bat kita ginong gendong. Seteng-teng rubang elek shalom syawa ngajui begini ginong gendong. Ki sobjat kita kli ki ya shalom syawa la kenut sur. Temut nang tu yo jengmut. Kitu ginong thau ngatrai gi yo jengmut ni gitu. Namar gini kijing roai nal thiar bun bangam sina manga. Kisna di baipat.
Jingin nang kendang merweng sarang ngadi ki mesngur halaj lam sisu ladang atrai ladang akta oh latrul dusya tahun kada lut syaya ya sya la pramne senrai kisau yang timwa
kijing roai mengkeruat kijing roai wes setai belai nginang ban keren ban roai namar ba hagitu kipor bengilek drama ngiju elek po mengkeruat ju elek senong stony ban elek ki drama lengba kan ke MRCC kemut napa mongap tenang tu kan man kipor bagi pelong syat ki pelong drama ki jukot yang ngi napa mongap bat hang tai kelaju i kelajan bat yanang gaktin ki jongkiru
Habung ngajiran lah lembah. Ki area, ki somen,
ngawan marwe, ngawan batnu. Bentali ngalak long free, ngamut penpek kai ha anjali, bawan ke film Bruce Lee. Ismu po ale.
Hai kong thaya di arnga. Ngah kan rehol senama. Bandi somen ngajlan ware lada piton yang akong thei.
Don't worry baba to be with me. Keleng nganten ya pi. Hanan bolok baca gofling. Hai pin ong woko darling.
Kakien pareng ngas ngapkan reng upas kurei upagamei katsya bupai kaktin lajong ngacapran rei wat hasor celang
udon we perlok jonga ubala syashet utau de na station thanong klau ong ba ngalai diranga sitrok tenrei ngandala poi pat apok sor selong te hakata ka jinglong mo ke jinglong ujung jinglong senrang usya penbit no ikan thai tendala sya penbit ikan thai kialam senama kialam bam syau tu ubo pli umtip dia kaduk kadang nem te temut kat badan pisam tu selut tahadien habak haduk pat undala lut tak pisah takemut tangban li pai sinong ru dan pisah cu ban seban kêu được cái liu ấy namar la shet itai thai mtip kai di na nong gendong ne ngam tip tang bayi kenduk he pok sor silong ta perlok chong
Naslen na duka por shuti bayakin dolas baki na do station rel kau hati bangalet kasuari
ngaru ngakin mau ye phi bapi ang ye ki kali hafut pat hapo delhi balembuk upan jabi
amlang shu bangan riam model ngalat hat ka sa hostel amlang shu bangan riam model ngalat
jong phi thu bri ye ka du riau ngan jingi nadu brahma putra shadu barapani
Ngempat isik nal bapin ai dagyanga jing ika bakum nu ya thu no seminta
nadu nakatuhi kasih klong snam uladan batpi nadu nakatuhi kasih klong snam uladan batpi sauda anut udang sa banga klet hapo kali baro arngan aino ya pishe lada dan bapin bena wal record labrik lupa lada dan bapin bena wal record labrik lupa